daughter, she can't what?
Girl, you're the only one that knows just how to treat me so right. Girl, got this feeling that your love is gonna reach me tonight. I wanna make you proud. I wanna scream your name so loud. So the air I breathe, honey. You're the reason that I sang, and so I'll give you everything.
Well, what's up, y'all? What the fuck? Wait a minute, let me fix my hair hat, y'all. It's slipping because I got it in this ponytail. But what in the fuck? How did y'all get in my house? What are you doing here? I don't even like people. And who do I think I am? What is, girl, who you think you is? What you got on? Your belly out? Okay, let me get into this first of all. I got my drink in my glass. You got a drink? I got a drink. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is mstrueredbone. We do cooking videos, cleaning videos, hauls, you know, family stuff. Yeah, more topics to come. I'm trying to post twice a week and do a live once a week. Y'all, this good. This is some crown apple. It is. With some pineapple. Is it pineapple mango? I can't remember offhand. You guys, what was that? I heard it too. Okay, so earrings. Where did I get these earrings from? This is my first time being able to wear them, and I got them for my birthday last year. I'm rambling. Let's get this video over with. This is a Fashion Nova haul. I've been scared to try on the pants. They are 13s. Y'all know I came from a 16 to a 13. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit them jeans straight up because y'all know all clothes run differently depending upon how much elastic and spandex they put in them. It's a pair in there that I don't think are gonna work. They have no give. This little shirt came with it. It's a little black crop. It is a size large, you guys. Yes, a size large. I'm oily. And then I have on some green capris I got last summer that they got too small. And actually, I can take this button to make them a little bit tighter because I've been pulling and yanking on them all day. So that part. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share me out. I'm not a secret. Let's get in where we fit in and get this haul started. I will show you the outfit and then I'll try on the outfit. How about that there? This is a one piece, you guys. This little pocket of clothes. This is a set. So I got 1, 2. I got 2 pairs of jeans, 3, 4. I have this jumpsuit. I can't wait to try it on. It's 5, and I got a little t-shirt too, y'all. Rolling Stone. So let's do that there. First things first. Let's do this jumpsuit, y'all. This is the jumpsuit, and I will try to remember to label and put the information in the description. This is Prep No More tie-dye romper. I got it in a size large, y'all. It says color red. You guys, I'm so nervous about this. I usually, before the weight loss, 30 pounds, and I haven't tried smaller sizes just yet, except for a few things. Like I said, this tank top is a large. In the past, I would have bought this in an extra large, so it would have been a little longer because of the peekaboo skin, but 2 tears in the bucket, fuck it, you know. So we're gonna go ahead and try this large. I would have originally bought this in either an extra large or a 1X, just to be on the safe side. But we gonna go for it, okay? About it, y'all. This is the large, and it's got so much give now. Listen here, I have on some underwear right now. I won't be wearing underwear with them. No, I won't, she said. Look, you can do this. You can be a little sassy, you know, and I like her like that, you know? And let me see. You know, what you think about the pink? I'm loving it. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Like I said, it's very comfortable. It's forgiving. It has some rouging on the buttocks. I would say free ball it in these, no underwear. If you want, you know, if you want a little bit of extra attention around the house, you know, or wherever you get it from. But yeah, I like it. This is a large, so I'm tripping over here a little bit. That's my side profile. Look at her. She said, what? A bitch said, who? A bitch where? No, just kidding. Okay, I like it. Oh, you guys, I'm loving this two-piece set. I love it because I work from home. I still get up in the morning and get dressed like a bitch is going to work, but comfy is what it's called. This is called in a Daze biker short set. And guess what size I got it in, y'all? I got her in a medium. Yes, she did. I got it in a medium. So, you can wear this several ways. It's a, like I said, it's a two-piece set, so both pieces are a medium. You can, you know, tie her up. Let's see how she look tied up. We like to be tied up. So that's tied up. What to do with that here? This is tied up. And again, if you're just, you know, you can do this still, not tie her up, or you can just tie her or leave her loose. Depends how you like it. You like to be loose, then be loose. I'm gonna tie her up. I can't remember the prices. I will go onto the website, get the prices, and put them in the description box with the items. Peekaboo. I see you. No. But yeah, number 2, keep it. Let me know what you liking the most down in the comments. Just so y'all know, if you get this jumpsuit, what is it called, y'all? Again, I will free ball in this. I will have on no underwear in this outfit, but I have on some right now. This is a large, y'all. This is a large. Do y'all just know what has happened in my life? Oh my God. It's a large and it's called Meet My Expectations Denim Jumpsuit, y'all. I was so scared about this. It's close. Give me another week though. It's close right now. I'm sweating my ass off. But for y'all, look at her. Look, I got on panties, so I was definitely free balling these or a thong. Look at that. Y'all, are you picking up what a bitch is putting down? I don't think so. I'm so sweet and innocent. Then do you see what do you see what I see? Y'all. I don't think you understand. You can't be as excited as I am because it's me. It's my life, but damn it, girl. You will need help getting in it, and you will need help getting it unzipped because the zipper is janky, y'all. But a large in denim, in a one piece, check, motherfucking check, motherfucking check. Again, free ball, no pants. You shouldn't wear panties. I got on some. I won't make that mistake again. You know, give it a little air. Let the air conditioning hit. It is, unless you roam down there all the time, then cover it up. Keep it covered. But you know what I mean. Yo, stomach wear, bitch wear. You said something about my stomach? What, that I don't have one? No, just kidding. Okay, y'all, next outfit. Y'all, you don't get it, dog. You don't get it. You don't get it. You don't get it. Do you understand? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Y'all, these are cool. Here. She'll do for now. I'm just trying to get that little, I had a little swirl earlier, y'all. There she go. There she go. But it's hot in the mofo. I'm about to lose an eyebrow up in this thing. Okay, y'all. Greatest love of all. It is my first pair of 13s. And I ain't talking about no J's. Greatest love of all. Y'all, these are a size 13. Don't sleep on me. These are a motherfucking 13, y'all. And they comfortable. And I got some gift in these bitches. It's only up from here. I'm going down. I'm gonna lose some more weight. Size 13, greatest love of all. So if you're transitioning from a 15 to a 13, the spandex in these jokers are amazing. Get you some. Greatest love of all. I might have to buy another pair or two. I gotta go tell my husband. Dog, yo, look at here, yo. Yeah, these are 13. My name is 13 right now. And I'm a little sassy because I got on a little crop top, a size large. Who are you? Who are you? Okay, on to the next one. Now these last pair of jeans got me annoyed. But these are big. These are, never ever in my life would I have thought I'd say these are big. These are too big for me. These are a 13, y'all. 13. These are a 13, motherfucker. Are you understanding the words that are coming out of my mouth? These are a 13. These are a 13, look. Say, peekaboo. 13. 13. They got little rips in the knees. In one knee and one knee. Very comfortable. They like a high, well, they're not high rise, they just big on me. What are these? These are, oh, they are a high rise. I like it a lot. Y'all, a 13. I ain't been in a 13 since the bitch was 13. And even then I was in some plus size clothes. Okay, twisted. Need a pick me up, ultra high rise jeans. So if you didn't know, Fashion Nova graphic tees run a little bit large. I've always made the mistake of still buying an extra large, which means it's a nightgown and it don't fit the way that I want to fit. Still, I could have got this in a small, y'all. This is a medium. Can you see that? It's a medium Rolling Stone, Psychedelic Rolling Stone top. I love colors. Y'all, I like it. It's a medium. Because any other time, I always buy them and they are too big. It's a medium, y'all. This joker will get tied up too. I could have did a small to where it would have been a little fitted. So I know that for my next purchase, because y'all know I got a problem with Fashion Nova. But yes, y'all, I am so, let me fix my hair hat. I'm gonna go snatch this joker off because it's hot. It is hot in Texas, y'all. Wait a minute. Okay. All right. So let me know which item was your favorite. Let me know which item was your fave. Down in the comments, let me know what you may be going to purchase. Tell me, do y'all get the same feeling I'm getting about losing this weight, man? I am, just call me Tiny True, Tiny Tim. All right, you guys, let me know what you think about this video. I am in awe of myself because who was terrified, not a joke, scared to, anxiety on 10, scared to try on these clothes because I would have been so let down if I couldn't get into the size I thought I was in. I'm telling y'all, it took me almost a month just to click the go, just to go ahead and hit the cart. Because I was scared of them 13s and those larges and those mediums. But bitch, I got in every one of them. Just know, man, if you focus and are determined, you could do anything that you set your mind to. Think positive and motherfucking positive things happen. Y'all, I feel like, I'm just saying. Y'all think I was moonwalking in that food video. Man! sweating. But this light is hot. I am hot. I'm hot, but I'm hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Make sure you liking the videos. Make sure you're commenting, be interactive. Make sure you are subscribed and your notification bell is set to all. Tell a friend to come see Miss True. And we are through, y'all. Grease your belly and slide on out. I'll talk to you later. Love, peace, and hair grease.